All right. We are back in the building, as usual. It's been a hot minute. It's been a long time. It's almost been like 2 days. Almost, I think. Maybe. I'm not sure. It's hard to track time. But the last 2 days, we were actually was at the Meta Week here in Dubai at the Grand Hyatt Hotel. And we got to meet some amazing people. We got to participate and connect with some amazing folks who are really doing some great stuff that's changing the way we use the internet, information, money. And obviously the Meta Week is all about the concept and how the idea of metaverse is going to be moving forward. And also we talked about NFTs and other relevant topics. So let me introduce myself to the folks out there who are new to the Daily Decrypt by XT.com. I'm Marcus Hinta. I'm your host for the most of the time, and the podcast host for the XT Cast. And behind the scenes, the man with the plan, who has put all this thing together to make this thing happen and get me to sit here in front of you, is the one and only Riza. Riza, say hi.
Hello.
Hello. All right. Cool. So, anyways, we gotta do it quick because we got some upcoming meetings and events coming up here in Dubai. So it's gonna be quite busy. So today, me and Riza, we got a chance to talk about consumer price index and all that fancy economic stuff. So before I dive in, Riza, any thoughts? I know because you keep up with all this stuff. So man.
Yeah, I mean, it's unfortunate that nowadays blockchain is kind of like, the cryptocurrency world is sort of linked with the economic world. But it is what it is now. So we need to move on still.
We have to. Let me tell you why. So this article is from CNBC by Carmen Rienecki. Sorry about my humble apologies. The article, I can tell you, not confusing, but it is kind of tough to read. Bitcoin slumps more than 9% after inflation report causes investors to flee risky assets like cryptocurrencies. So, it actually happened. Bitcoin fell Tuesday following stocks lower after the August consumer price index report came in higher than expected. The cryptocurrency slid 9.66% on Tuesday, falling to $20,249.8 per coin at 4 p.m. This info is brought to you by Coin Metrics. Apparently, those Bitcoin's worst day since June 18. Interesting indeed. So, obviously, I'm sure some of you guys, and we have a lot of traders here at XT.com. Many of them are aware of digital asset. The psychological key is at $20,000 level last week, but it was spurned by the softening of the US dollar ahead of Tuesday's inflation report, which was expected to show that inflation had cooled off. I don't believe that. A much anticipated network upgrade, depending on who you talk to, for Ethereum also boosted the digital coin's price. So I'm not going to dive into all the technical analysis stuff. I will leave the article reference link below for your benefit, and you can thank Riza for that. So basically the August API showed that inflation rose month over month and gas prices slipped. The US dollar jumped. Stocks sold out sharply as Wall Street anticipates more aggressive interest rate hikes. We all don't like that from the Federal Reserve. So obviously, investors are moving their dollars, their money out of cryptocurrencies. So, we are close to the merge. Yeah. It is happening.
Yeah, not all doom and gloom.
True. But like the previous Daily Decrypts sessions, we are still not sure what's going to happen. Honestly, not many people cannot confirm, but personally for me, maybe I'm the odd one out. I don't think much is going to happen. I think it's just going to go on. I guess what I mean is that, as a reference earlier, would transaction speed really increase so much, or would the transaction fees drop low? I don't know.
Yeah,
I just do not know. I just want to be honest. I want to be open. So if you're at XE.com community, if you guys got any feedback or any input to share, please share in the description, in the comment section below. Not in the description, because Rizza controls it.
Yep.
So.
nice move.
yeah. But anyways, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But anyways, that's the the economic aspect of this episode. And I want to share something interesting, close to my achy breaky heart, is this article, which is all about Tether. Tether launches USDT on Near protocol. It's the 13th blockchain to support the stablecoin. Alright, before I head in, I just want to let you know this article is from The Tokenist by Tim Fries.
I'm hungry.
God. Golly, I'm so hungry. Yeah, anyways, Rizza, you're my blockchain developer, expert / tech guy. Talk to me. What do you think about it? Tether.
Yeah, I mean, it's good that it's coming to Near. It means like they recognize that Near is an upcoming blockchain. But yeah, it's probably only going to be good for the whole crypto community because they have choices.
True. Yeah. I mean, I will definitely confess that I'm a big supporter of Near. I think it definitely has a lot to offer.
Yeah.
And
draw money as well.
Yeah. So yeah, I know, because I mean, just for all the new folks out there trying to figure out who Rizza is. Rizza is a big supporter of Solana.
Yep.
And Solana has a lot good going on. But I would also say Near is kind of coming near, really.
Yeah.
So hey, I'm just. This is not financial advice.
Yeah.
I can't say that. I know, you look at me like, can you say your pitch? Yes. This is not financial advice. This is just education and entertainment only. That's what the Daily Decrypt is all about. XE.com. So, back to the article. Tether, the blockchain-powered platform behind the stablecoin USDT, said it is launching its US peg tokens on the Near network. The launch makes Near the 13th blockchain network to support USDT, following Ethereum, Solana, and others. So this is a statement from the CTO at Tether, Paolo Ardonio. Right. We're excited to launch USDT on Near, offering its community access to the first, most stable and trusted stablecoin in the digital token space. The Near ecosystem has witnessed historic growth this year, and we believe Tether will be essential in helping it continue to thrive. I think I'll agree to Paolo.
Yes.
Here the article goes on, stating that Tether said the move will further expand the network's ecosystem. Definitely agree, with roughly 700 projects currently running on Near. I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Tether says USDT now allows Near users to move their cash in and out of the ecosystem and generate profits, which is good. Good business. I like that.
Yeah.
Near network is a layer 1 blockchain for the new people out there. We have to address to our new people, as we know. XE.com has been growing quite well, and we are getting a lot of new people, so we are excited for great things to come. So, that being said, Near protocol is a layer 1 blockchain used by developers to create decentralized applications, aka dApps. The protocol raised $350 million in April in a funding round led by Tiger Global. The network reported it handles 300,000 to 400,000 transactions per day as of July. Interesting. So, here's a statement from the CEO of Near Foundation, Marieke Flement. We champion initiatives that can bring greater stability to the DeFi ecosystem and help us advance the mass adoption of Web3. We look forward to seeing what Tether will achieve with the launch of USDT on Near network and the vital role it will play in shaping the future of finance and digital economy. So apparently USDT remains ahead of Circle's USDC stablecoin. So I think this is an interesting milestone for sure. And as you know, Tether announced it partnered with Bitfinex and Hypercore to roll out a blockchain-powered communication app called Keep. Never heard of it.
Yeah.
Anyway, doesn't matter. The stablecoin issuer also hired a new accounting firm, BDO Italia, to watch over its asset reserves. Tether reported $66.4 billion in reserves in the June quarter, while total liabilities in the same period hit over $66.2 billion. So the addition of USDT to news reinforces Tether's position as the most widely adopted stablecoin in the world. USDT market cap currently stands at more than $67 billion after plunging below the $70 billion mark last month due to broader market sell-off. Rizza, we are about to end this. This is quite an interesting situation we got going on here in the cryptocurrency space. So, anyways, we could dive in so much. Yeah. But before we go, please, Rizza, any words of wisdom for our XE.com community?
I'm still pretty fixated with the urge to merge.
Oh, urge.
Yeah, so, yeah, I mean, let's see what it will bring us.
Yeah, so if you want to learn what it'll bring us, stay tuned for the next Daily Decrypt by XE.com. So, this is your host with the most and the man behind the scenes, Rizza. We gotta go. So, y'all be good. Y'all be safe. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.